Okay, in JavaScript, you have to understand another important things that call JavaScript control flow. Okay, JS control flow. Okay, this is a very important topic. And in order to understand what you should know in JavaScript control flow, okay, what you should know, HOU should know. Okay, number one, of course, comparison operators. Okay, number two, you have to understand logical operator. Okay, number three, you have to understand make decision, how to make decisions. Number four, loops. Okay, these are four things that you should understand what is control flow, JavaScript control flow. Okay, let's see for the first one. If you're looking into the first one, this symbol is important. What is this symbol for? It's a greater than. I hope you can forget about the spelling error. Sometimes I type it quite fast and it gives me problem with the keyboard. Okay, and then this symbol greater than and equivalent or similar to, okay, it's a greater than or equal, okay, equal to. So next symbol is this one, less than, and then the next symbol is less than and equivalent to, less than or equal to. Okay, there are 8 symbols. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is 4 symbol, and then this is another advanced things. Actually, not really advanced. Okay, this symbol. Okay, equality. That refer to equality. Okay, operator. Equality operator or equal to. Okay, and this is what we call a loosely equality. Okay, I would say equality, loosely equality. Okay, next symbol will be this symbol. Okay, actually it's not equal to. I think most of you already know this, but I have to repeat this again. Okay, when we have 3 symbols of equality, so we are focusing on strict equality. Equality means that very strict one, and this one is referred to not strict equality. Strict, I would suggest you to use strictly not equal to. Okay, so that's the something that related with JS control. Okay, now if you're looking into all these particular things, why I put in JS VS Code, because I don't want to move in different slideshow and so on. So I just use VS Code to give you some overview about the programming itself. Okay, so we try the coding. Okay, I think this is something related with, you already know, most of you already know 8 comparison operator, greater than, and so on. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a comparison operator. Okay, for logical operator, most of the logical operator in JavaScript almost same like the others programming language, like and, or, XOR, and so on. And then in terms of making decision, you are talking about if, then, else. Okay, if this condition, else what happened. So that one is similar to others programming language, but I want you to refer to W3 School to understand how the JavaScript use it. Okay, now in our class, I just want to highlight looping, and then I assume that you already know all of this in JavaScript, because almost the same like the other programming language like C programming. but the only difference is some syntax is slightly different. Okay, let's say if you want to trace what happened in the programming language if we use JavaScript control flow, I show you some looping example, because the others is almost similar, like C programming, and the lecture note that I uploaded to you, you can make use of it and try to go one by one, because in this video is something that not in the lecture notes. That's why I edit as a additional video for you to understand and try to use your programming skill straight away. Okay, let's say if I go for if else. Okay, for example, I using if else. Okay, like this, if else, sorry, if else statement. Not really if else statement. I think it's looping. Okay, looping, loop. Okay, loops example. Okay, because if else is almost the same. Now, if I type loop example, let's say I go for then var variables, var equivalent to var, let's say I'm using I equivalent to 1 as the first initial value, and then I move to I less than 11, okay, for example, and because I want you to have a understanding about console, how the variable works. Okay, now I trace the movement of the variable itself, and then using set. Okay, they give me some sort of automatic coding console. Sorry, console log. Okay, and then console log I. Okay, then end up. Right. So from this code, what I'm trying to show to you is a looping example. Example looping. So we go for initial value var I is the variable. Initial value is 1, and then it will go for until I less than 12. It means that I to 10, 1 to 10. Okay, and I move one by one, step by step. Okay. And what is the console will look like? It will trace number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 until number 10. So that's how it works. So let's say I save this file and looking into variables here. Okay, the minute. Okay, open file. This is the one that we are looking for. Okay, F12. Okay, see this, the console that we use here in that HTML. It read line number 48 with value number 1, and actually this came from line 48. All the programming output came from line 48. It read from 1 to 10. Okay, let's say if I want to only odd number appear in your programming language. Let's say I change this into something else. Let's say the movement should be 2, okay, like this. Instead of plus, I change to equality to 2, and then that's all. And it will move 1, 3, 5, 7 until 9. So let's see how it works. Okay, we refresh them and see what happened. See that 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, that's all for today lesson. Thank you.